Imagine a quiet morning, the sun rising slowly over the horizon, casting a gentle glow through your kitchen window. You wake up with a sense of purpose, determined to take control of your health and well-being. You've heard about the incredible benefits of tea, and today, you're on a mission to explore 5 remarkable teas that can clean your arteries, lower cholesterol, and keep high blood pressure at bay. Tea, a beverage often overlooked in our daily lives, is about to take center stage. As you stand in your kitchen, contemplating the choices before you, you can't help but think about the precious gift of life and the importance of safeguarding your heart. After all, your heart is your body's engine, tirelessly pumping life through your veins. The first tea on our journey is one that may surprise you: onion tea. It's not a tea that people often talk about, but it holds a wealth of heart-healthy benefits. Onions, it turns out, are more than just a savory ingredient in your favorite recipes. They are a potent source of flavonoids called quercetin, and these little compounds are champions for your heart. Quercetin promotes the production of HDL, the good cholesterol, while reducing the levels of the bad cholesterol, LDL. As you chop up an onion for your tea, you can't help but appreciate the science behind this humble vegetable. Quercetin doesn't just stop at cholesterol control. It also acts as a blood thinner, preventing the formation of dangerous blood clots. And if that wasn't enough, the sulfur compounds in onions help regulate blood pressure, one of the primary contributors to cardiovascular issues. To make your heart-healthy onion tea, you gather your ingredients: chopped onion, a few garlic cloves, a teaspoon of honey, and a couple of cups of water. You even contemplate adding a touch of lemon juice or a bay leaf for extra flavor. As you boil the water and let the aromas fill the room, you're reminded that the path to good health often starts in your own kitchen. The next tea on your heart-healthy journey is ginseng tea. This herbal infusion boasts a plethora of health benefits and has been cherished for centuries. Ginseng is known for its antioxidants, which work tirelessly to protect your heart. The roots of this plant are like nature's elixir, slowing down your heart rate, reducing the heart's demand for oxygen, and even increasing the strength of your heart muscle. As you sip your ginseng tea, you appreciate its unique taste and medicinal qualities. It's as if nature herself is whispering secrets of vitality to you. Ginseng tea is also renowned for its ability to control hypertension, a silent but deadly contributor to heart disease. You take a moment to reflect on the wonders of nature and how it provides for your well-being in so many ways. Turmeric tea is the next stop on your journey, and it's a bright and sunny addition to your heart-healthy regimen. Turmeric's magic lies in its active ingredient. This compound is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, and inflammation is a known culprit in heart disease. It not only reduces inflammation, but also thins the blood, lowers cholesterol levels, and prevents the narrowing of arteries. You prepare your turmeric tea, watching the golden hues swirl in your cup. It's a warm and comforting reminder that nature's gifts are often vibrant and full of life. However, you make a mental note to consult your doctor before adding turmeric to your diet if you're on blood-thinning medication. Now it's time to explore oolong tea, a traditional Chinese treasure made from partially oxidized tea leaves. This tea doesn't need milk or sugar to shine. Its natural flavors are captivating. As you watch the tea leaves dance in your cup, you think about the ancient wisdom that led to the discovery of this remarkable brew. Oolong tea is a powerhouse for heart, brain, bone, and dental health. Its antioxidants boost your metabolism, lower your risk of type 2 diabetes, and provide protection against certain cancers. The energy it imparts is a gentle yet invigorating reminder of the vitality within you. The last stop on your tea journey is garlic tea. It might sound unusual, but this tea has a rich history of promoting heart health. Studies have shown that garlic tea can lower cholesterol and blood pressure, making it an essential ally in the fight against atherosclerosis. As you prepare your garlic tea, the aroma fills your kitchen, and you can't help but smile. It's a reminder that the path to a healthy heart often begins with embracing the unexpected. The clean, healthy arteries that garlic tea promises are a testament to the power of natural remedies. As you conclude your exploration of these 5 amazing teas, you reflect on the importance of making small changes in your life to protect your heart. You understand that these teas are not magical potions, but tools that, when combined with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, can make a world of difference. You think about the quiet moments in your kitchen, the aroma of onions and garlic, the vibrant colors of turmeric, and the dance of oolong tea leaves. These moments are not just about drinking tea. They are about taking control of your health, one cup at a time. In a world filled with distractions, it's easy to forget the simple joys of life. The warmth of a cup of tea, the soothing rhythm of a quiet morning, and the knowledge that you are taking steps to care for your heart. As you finish your tea, you realize that the journey to a healthy heart is not just about the destination, it's about savoring every step along the way. So, as you embark on this heart-healthy tea adventure, you do so with gratitude in your heart and a newfound appreciation for the healing power of nature's elixirs. With each sip, you feel a connection to generations past, who also sought solace and healing in the comforting embrace of a cup of tea. You are part of a timeless tradition, one that honors the body, mind, and spirit. The beauty of these teas is not only in their ability to promote physical well-being, but also in their capacity to create moments of reflection and mindfulness. As you savor the delicate flavors and subtle aromas, you find peace in the present moment. It's a practice that extends beyond the tea itself and into the very essence of a balanced and harmonious life. The wisdom of these teas lies not only in their ingredients but in the rituals that accompany them. Whether it's the careful preparation of onion tea, the contemplative sips of ginseng tea, the vibrant colors of turmeric tea, the dance of oolong tea leaves, or the aromatic embrace of garlic tea, each moment spent with a cup of tea is a moment of self-care and self-discovery. You come to realize that the journey to a healthy heart is not a solitary one. It's a journey that connects you to the traditions of cultures around the world, to the healing wisdom of nature, and to the depths of your own being. It's a journey that reminds you that you are worth the effort, worth the time, and worth the love and care that you invest in yourself. In the midst of life's business, it's easy to forget the importance of self-care. But as you sit with your cup of tea, you are reminded that taking care of your heart is not a luxury. It's a necessity. It's a gift you give yourself, and it's a gift that keeps on giving, day after day. So, as you embark on this journey of heart-healthy teas, remember that it's not just about the destination. It's about the moments, the rituals, and the self-love that accompany you every step of the way. With each cup of tea, you nourish your heart, your body, and your soul. As you set your empty cup aside, you carry with you a sense of peace and purpose. The world outside may be busy and chaotic, but in your heart, you have found a sanctuary, a place of quiet reflection and gentle healing. And in the simple act of sipping tea, you have discovered a powerful ally in your quest for a healthy heart and a balanced life. With gratitude in your heart and the warmth of tea in your belly, you step into the world, ready to face the day with renewed energy and a deep sense of well-being. Your heart, the faithful engine of your life, beats steadily and strongly, reminding you that you are alive, you are well, and you are on a journey of self-discovery and self-care that will last a lifetime.